again. So potentially Stuart the Pro 14 got his revenge. But now, since you know that it's supposed to be me in the coffin, it's not going to happen anymore. Since he came back with Thunder, like Revival, somehow me and him have both connected. So apparently if he comes back alive, I come back. As a matter of fact, that we're both the same. I'm going to get revenge on him. Just to make sure I'll have my revenge on him, whether or not. And if he doesn't like it, how about he shoves one of those dingly berries up his ass? Anyway, once I get him back, revenge will be